My name is Aska Tanveer and top stories from today are: people in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir are engaged in a struggle for the exercise of their UN pledge right to self-determination and reflects the sentiments of the journal populace of the territory. An analytical report released by Kashmir Media Service today said Kashmiri's freedom struggle is an indigenous popular movement, as its indigenous character is evident from the sacrifices rendered by the Kashmiris on a daily basis. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the president of People's Democratic Party, Mehbooba Mufti, has said the social media guidelines for the government employees are a part of a clear intimidation of dispossessing people of their livelihood. According to Kashmir Media Service, Mehbooba Mufti wrote on Twitter, whether it was blacklisting contractors or the social media gag to employees, a clear intimidation of dispossessing people in Jammu and Kashmir of their livelihood has emerged. Authorities have become judge, jury, and executioner in complete violation of the fundamental rights of the people. A threat to take down the Indian flag and replace it with a banner for the Khalistan in Delhi's Pragati Maidan, the venue for a high-profile G20 meeting in September, is being probed by the police. Police said they have launched an investigation after receiving a tip-off from someone who has received an audio recording from an unknown number 2 days ago. The Hindutva Bharatiya Janata Party government has scrapped the 4% quota of the other backward classes Muslims in Indian state of Karnataka. The announcement by Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommai comes just a month before the assembly election is scheduled to be held in the southern state. The Institute of Peace and Development, an international organization active for human rights and peace, has said that Pakistan is incomplete without the freedom of Kashmir. The Institute's president, Sardar Muhammad Tahir Tabassum, talking to a prominent religious scholar and social personality, Maulana Dr. Akhtarul Zaman Ghori, who came from Britain, said the government and the parliament should take immediate action to end the increasing human rights violations by Indian forces in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir.